from morning we've been smiling, you know. So I want to know why we're just having something to smile about. But it's time for something to smile about.
All
I just
right.
have to throw this on you now. Catch. So Daly and I will be playing, what do you call it? A popular baby shower game as we race to tinkle in the pot. A baby shower. So this we are supposed to put between our knees, right on the knee bone.
Never. I say my knee is bigger than yours and my knee has fat.
Hold on.
Yours does not.
Knee bone.
Then I'm a knee bone.
And then we walk to the little pot and tinkle. We ready? After
Yeah.
3. 1, 2, 3. There you move too fast.
By this time, the whole of the floor would have wet up if I that never wet for everything. Team Simmer. Team Simmer.
First thing is,
Team
when I go
Simmer.
to the bathroom, is
Team Simmer.
I don't use
No excuses.
But
We know the weakness. We know the weakness. No excuses. Trent, we know the weakness.
And then mine it go in and bounce back out. Normally when it go in, it stay.
So you don't wet up the whole of the
No,
floor.
but normally when it go in, it stay in
So you
there.
don't wet up the whole of the floor.
It usually stay.
No man. Oh, no, man. You know, me love about Arrow. Although never come last. Arrow say,
Oh, I must come last.
I mean, oh, you
And
come
it's 2 away. I come
Yeah.
second.
last.
I come second. Oh, I must come last and 2 in a race.
Eh?
No, because they don't put it on the knee bone.
Oh, you mean the people them not see on the TV, say, put it on my knee bone, so you can't tell them, say,
No.
oh, brother, close up
It's
of
all right.
my knee bone.
I will put it on the knee bone.
On my knee bone?
Yeah. Come, wait.
Me tell you, said fat, you can't find the knee bone. What?
Right, that's it.
What?
Yeah.
Never, what you doing?
Right, yeah.
Ah. Ah. Him can't stay there. I think full time. Full time. Chef Shay Stewart is with me. Now go on, Tinker Man. And we're going to be playing in a different pot. How are you, Chef Shay?
I'm good. How are you?
Awesome.
Nice
Mother's
to see you
Day
again.
is
Yes,
coming
Mother's
up,
Day.
And we have to make sure that the moms, Neville, you not find the pot yet? That the moms are well hooked up. So what are you going to be preparing for us this morning?
All right, so I'm going to show you how to do a simple dish. It's called shrimp scampi, which is an Italian dish. It's just garlic, white wine, you know, a lot of butter, like the lime juice, salt, and pepper. And we're going to do it with some
You know
angel.
what is something I look on you? Him start off and say something simple.
No, it's very simple.
Garlic, white wine, a little butter.
No, man, it's
So-
simple. Definitely simple. And we have some pre-cooked angel hair pasta that was going to never walk on.
Yeah, me do it.
Him over there, I tried to
Mother's
clean
Day.
out one pot.
Mother's Day. Mother's Day. All right, so,
Me don't mind.
All right, so we're going to start. So you have two
definitely.
skillets.
Yeah, man, I'm going to put some oil in one of them.
Any specific type or doesn't matter? You need
Vegetable
pasta.
oil.
Vegetable
You can use olive oil too, right? We have some jumbo shrimp here.
Yes.
That's already picked and deveined.
Unless it's jumbo, it don't work.
And we're going to just season it with a bit of salt and pepper. Right? And you want to, don't be too scared to season
And they've
it.
done it. I mean, nowadays you can go into the supermarket and get the shrimp and they've already been deveined.
Yeah, man, picked and deveined. Even some pre-cooked shrimp too, you know.
Which one's best? when you're
I
doing the
prefer
The pre-cooked?
No, the raw shrimp.
The raw shrimp.
Because
Okay.
you can control the doneness. All right, so you want to put your shrimp in a nice hot skillet.
And shrimp doesn't take a long time.
No, it doesn't.
To get ready.
You want to ensure that the shrimp is a bit dry. Because you know oil and water doesn't mix, so you don't want to splash up and burn yourself. All right.
So you can probably use maybe just a paper towel and just put it in the middle and just pat it
Exactly.
down and that will dry up the shrimp for you. Cool. Chef, shape me know me, Adina.
A bit of garlic. Maybe one day we can change jobs, you think?
No.
No?
No, job means me I get paid. I mean, I think nobody gonna pay me. If I cook free and say come eat, them will do it, but them won't pay. All right, so there's a bit of garlic.
Yeah,
always
and we have some
a favorite
butter.
of mine on seafood, yeah.
I prefer to use unsalted butter again because you don't want to...
Make the thing too salty,
Exactly,
man.
exactly.
Because you've already put salt and pepper on it. So you want to make sure that it...
You want the shrimp to get a nice sear.
Everything.
So you're being a great sous chef, man.
Yeah.
Helping me out.
Yeah,
and-
come here, I eat the food. So I work for my food.
Alright, so in our other pot, we're gonna add some oil again. Alright,
And that's going to be to
For the pot.
saute the...
the pasta,
Do my thing.
garlic.
Some garlic, which gives it such a nice flavor when you burn the garlic first. And then you
Exactly.
add the things to it.
I'm gonna add just the garlic. You put with my butter.
London, look at me put at the bottom. I lose my job as a sous chef. Did you tell me about that? No.
So we're gonna deglaze the pot with the shrimp with a bit of white wine. So that's how we're building our sauce right there.
And you know the shrimp is ready for the wine because it has a little...
Opaque.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, gonna add some tomatoes. You've been watching me, man, and learning.
Chef. I can't cook, you know. I can't cook, man.
Alright, gonna add our pre-cooked pasta. The Angel here is a nice thin pasta, not too heavy.
No.
You know, so it easily.
And and I mean for people who prefer different types.
Exactly.
They
You
can
can
use-
do
they can use penny.
penny. Gonna add a bit of cream. Right. And stir it up a bit.
Now the trick to something like this, chef, is pasta. You really want to, particularly when you're doing it like this, serve it warm.
Yeah, man, you definitely, unless you're doing a pasta salad, you want your pasta to be warm.
So
Evenly.
timing is critical.
Exactly, evenly coated. Also, the doneness of your pasta is very important. You don't want it to be overcooked.
Overcooked.
You know, then it's mushy and it doesn't have any texture. Also, you don't want it to be undercooked where it's sticking up your teeth. And so the correct terminology is al dente, which is done to firm bite.
Firm, yeah.
Right?
So, you know, maybe, so if you have like a little appetizer for mom,
Yeah.
you could probably have her sit down and while she's having her appetizer.
Exactly.
And her soup
And
and her salad.
so
then you
quick and
start on the
easy, you could
pasta.
just cook it in front of her. You know, and bring it to her, you know, breakfast in bed, or could do a nice omelette for her. You know, so we want to really make our mothers feel special on Mother's Day. You know, we should actually make them feel special all the time.
Every day.
But Mother's Day is more than an excuse for that to
Make
happen.
sure mom is pampered for the day.
All right, so I'm going to
All
turn
right, my
off.
shrimp is ready. And you look at the shrimp, you see they get a little swollen.
And what you
Start looking a
notice
little
about
pinkish.
this, it looks
What
like
I noticed-
it's looking like Italy.
Italy.
You have the red, the green, and the white,
And the what?
right?
Yeah.
Everything right.
It's my favorite thing to cook in this morning. So anything you say, me, I agree with you.
So we're going to add our pasta first. All right, I'm going to put it in the middle of the pot. And just twist it around.
Presentation is also
It's
important, guys.
very important.
Even though you're cooking at home for mom, you want her to feel like she's having restaurant style.
Exactly.
So,
And everybody can do this, as you see, as you can see. I mean, it's very easy,
and they say we eat with our eyes first.
definitely.
Yeah, we eat with our eyes. Gorgeous.
We're going to add our shrimp.
These are done for sure.
So you're going to do something like this for your mom?
My mom's in Canada.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
So, but I know my sister, who's a mom, is here.
I'm going to throw this nice sauce over it.
Nice,
That butter and the wine.
nice.
All right?
Smell Jamaica done for the
And
morning.
some more parsley and basil. On top, we have some freshly shaved Parmesan cheese.
Parmesan cheese.
Right on top. And there you have it.
You think me not see her come? Me see her from a mile away I come for me things. Well, I'm going to I'm them over here, sous chef out the morning. You're really and truly. This is awesome. Aubrey, I'm with you. Look at this for Mom.
It's nice and saucy at the bottom.
Yeah.
And you can stir it in.
Yeah.
And you could add some pepper flakes if you like.
Shay, you never tell me how to eat it. Me know exactly how to eat it.
Never your salt to that one.
I salt every day and I
Every
see him
day.
lose the tinkle and then I come eat my food. The spoils goes to the victor. So that's an awesome thing that you can prepare for Mom. Pampering us should do it every day, but this Sunday,
Definitely.
make it extremely special. You know, Mom, so I know
And
you
big
know.
up to my mom. Enough love.
Yeah, big up to my mom too.
Big up to my mother-in-law.
That was Chef.
Big up to my mother-in-law. Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. All right. That was Chef Shay. Karina, tell me not to eat the food because she want to take a picture. You should take it long time.
I want to big up all the moms. Me that have fun, you know, because my mother and my father are gone. So, and nobody don't feel sorry for me. Because my mother gone, but them not give me the food. Wicked dealer.
Where's that?
Chef Shay Stewart.
Where's that, Mama? Where's that? Me not hear you. Where's that?
Back after the break.
Where's that?
Don't go nowhere.
Where's that? Me not.
My mother gone.